In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a gradient text effect in Canva, and we'll wrap it all up in just 5 short minutes. If you've been wanting to add a touch of creativity and color to your Canva designs with gradient text, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. We'll be starting by opening Canva and heading straight to the design you're working on, or you can create a new one to follow along. Once your Canva workspace is open, look towards the side panel where you'll find the Apps button. Click it, and a search box will appear at the top. This feature allows you to access a wide array of creative elements. In the search box, type the word gradient and press enter. This prompts Canva to display a variety of gradient elements you can use, providing you with options ranging from simple color fades to more intricate patterns, all ready to enhance your text. Now that you've accessed the gradients, the next step is to add text to your design. Select the text tool on the left and choose add a heading, add a subheading, or simply add a little bit of body text, depending on what fits best for your project. Click on the blank area or your existing canvas and type your text into the box provided. Be sure to choose a font and size that will complement your gradient, as the visual effect is best showcased with bolder fonts. With your text in place, it's time to add those beautiful gradient colors. Select the text box you just created by clicking on it. Over on the top panel, usually where the font colors are set, you might not find a direct gradient option for the text itself. So here's a neat trick: head back to the gradient elements you browsed earlier and pick a gradient that you really like. Click to select your chosen gradient and then adjust its size and position to cover the text entirely, giving it a colorful overlay effect. Finally, it's a crucial step to integrate your design. With your gradient now in place, on the top right corner of the Canva screen, you'll see an Add to Design option. Click this and your text will seamlessly blend with the gradient effect you've chosen, producing a striking and vibrant visual element that stands out. And there you have it, you've just created a captivating gradient text effect in Canva, adding a real wow factor to your designs. Feel free to experiment with different gradients and fonts, as Canva offers endless creative possibilities. With practice and exploration, your gradient text effect can become a staple of your visual projects, impressing anyone who sees your work. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed learning this creative technique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips and tutorials. Happy designing!